Se Ghana fo nim no mu san ma John Mama be president biema eniem ebesisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Yen ye suffer because in penyin boni be di o man so a o man ne bre.
Se Ghana fo nim no mu san ma John Mama be president biema eniem ebesisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana mo pa mo date nto
bebia e won kran ha nsuo to kakra pe na bebia ayiri ezu enti sa Ministry of Sanitation a omo ahwe so mfie wotwe a ene nsuo kakra to omo kwaji sika wo World Bank se ombe yiyi gata numu a eche se omo mfa nye hwe no NDC ba sa Sanitation Ministry no yebegu no.
The flooding in Accra is not an engineering problem. It is just a problem of indiscipline.
Because this is where we are. Flooding is concerning to every Ghanaian. Whether you live in Accra, you live in Takrady, you live in Tamale, flooding is concerning to all of us. And then you have a president that wins a huge majority, comes into office and says, I've set up an anti-flooding task force. Now, this photograph captured here is a photograph in one of the Ghana military helicopters. So you see the unmistakable figure of Standogbe and others in there. This is Standogbe. He chairs the committee. We're all talking about it, that why is a deputy chief of staff chairing a committee of flooding, which includes the Minister for Works and Housing? The Minister for Works and Housing must have overall control over all of those issues, works, housing, water, and all of that. We don't have a water and sanitation ministry, so sanitation is gone to local government, water is gone to works and housing. So he's the minister in charge of all of these things. But somehow the government decides they put the deputy chief of staff at the head of a cabinet minister. It's awkward, really, really awkward in terms of the public service arrangements of how these things work, because a cabinet minister is higher than a deputy chief of staff. But, well, it's the president who decides. So Standogbe is the chairman.
President Oba so Oba solving Ghanaian's problem. President Oba so be creating Numa dia youth. President ne buy watem $27 million US e dia kwa akoto sanity pad dia be chama nkora. So we a journalist. Na wote. E na we ya. E be siga no man Ghana na nya ne ntuma pafuda. So we a journalist. Now, what's the war fighting for Ghana? Fighting for propaganda. Fighting for personal interest. Fighting for selfishness. And yes, Kumasi Kurase. What's the wood year 24 hours economy policy? Ebe si den as a market na wakwa see Kurana seno. Ebe contain 24 hours economy policy. Yay. What are some more kind? or say $40 so. Na dollar na wa teso no intime reflect to nimpa bra ba wonye hwe. What $1 so? Enso nioma boa yedin. What $1 so? Enso ye ntwa de. What $1 so? Youth ni adwuma ye. What $1 so? Nurses gufia wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Teachers gufia wie school wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Yes hospitals no wo mu nimpa wo mu beda so. What $1 so? Yentua nurses ka. What $1 so? Yentua teachers ka. Indidie pa na ekere se amambo na NDC bu na ya papa. Die na ekere. Se dollar was 11 cedi. Se dollar no. Se dollar it was 17 cedi. And then na kufuado. Na ye ton ade na ye ton. Na nyama boa ye de ba still now ye ton. Na dollar ba 11 cedi and the NDC government. By ye ta de ye nton. Enyama na ne boa ye de ne still now koso na ekoso. Edie na ekire wo, die na speak kire wo. Edie na ekire wo se NDC phone faili. Edie na ekire wo. Edie na ekire wo pass NDC party ni mfeli. NDC government ni mfeli. Edie na ekire.
Oso va so pa ne se NDC party. Oso ne fa so bia oso. So you cannot rescue Ghana. But catch up boko. Me na my kasa am very calm because mba no mo ye fragile. Me catch up plan. Kawano atum. A Dr. Baumia went to me for number from Ghana for name Dr. Baumia. Obi any mo boss ko na work no. Ghana for name no. Yet outside we know him. All my ben also they know him. And you can never bring such a person down, my dear. Tempest who said the table will turn one day. And after that, what next? Even the next NDC government or administration will not consider you. They are using you temporarily. It is show who see that can one at all. When you must say, me no baby, the problems mum never brought now. So shut up. I'm a Owusu for N0w. Okay? Good.
Of Kennedy Japan saying he's left the party.
I haven't heard it. I have not heard it. And
that is brother.
If I have never been heard about his brother, I only heard about him.
Right.
And like I am, when you are in a political party, it does not mean whether your brother should also be in a political party. I don't know whether he's also there.
No,
so for this comment, I haven't heard it. So if indeed that is what he said, maybe it can be true and it can be false. It's left with Honorable Kennedy or Hina Japan to dispute that. And we talk about a committee. He talked about a committee that was set up in Ashanti region because of Kennedy. I put it on record here from the National Secretariat of the party. No committee was set up in Ashanti region purposely for Kennedy or Hini Ajapong. We set up one committee headed by Professor Reverend Mike Okay.
Oh, what are we talking about?
To investigate and also to interact with the party people and come out with a report. And that is something that has been done. Again, the huge defeat that happened in this country for the first time was 2016. 2016. The 2024 is just the second, overlapping that of the 2016. The NDC was slapped with a huge defeat.
Yeah, close to 1 million, you say.
Yes. And look, it disintegrated the entire NDC. I visited him in Techiman when they sat down to do a collation. This man could not even drink his tea.
Oh, you are talking about
computer. They could not even come with resource. And let me tell you,
it was that bad?
NPP won the 2016 election because of what happened in 2012. And we went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court looked at the weight of the evidence, agreed with most of the things that we sent there, and told us that elections are won at the polling station. We came and did a lot of reforms. We went, manned the polling stations, and won the elections from the polling stations. So we won the elections on our own merit. We did a lot of things before we went for that particular election, but we won the elections on our own merit. Whether we had a leader at the time or we did not.
Just say you nim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na dan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e chere Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospital and a go san and no woman say. It is a Kenyan saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort to my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, Miss Ombe funded free seniors, most of my comfort. Is there any Ghana for debut? I find a tables net and after the Mokikam Makaka. Why are they shouting? Obian cannon to them call I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common to them queen in a chief imam for them common to them queen in a politicians didn't come to them queen in a market women on common to them queen now. Obian cannon to them queen in a 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet a crime or obese or no bow or no the credit scoring system, but I must open quantity and get it. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ayen kitin ya adwen kitin ye bibi ye invest kra ye kitin. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. I dey same kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kitin. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open kitin. You see anyone there? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa and I feel them busu them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi me na me go catch you radio drama ni ma say all members come to Butuu. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy. Digitalization and to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey radio drama ni mama ko gina e and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now they are making a utilization there. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Butuu region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1 which is never true.
Onya juma order and onya juma order Amanam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post. Yeah, no catch you be say oh dependent boy.